Now let's find out rational numbers between two given numbers. Rational numbers between two given numbers. See, whenever we want to find out rational numbers between any two given numbers, we need to remember certain points. Which are these points? So the first thing is you need to remember that denominator should be same. If you want to find out rational numbers between two numbers, then denominator should be same. Now, denominator should be same. So what if the denominators are not same? So if not, then if not, then we need to make them same. We need to make them same. So what we are seeing is, if we want to find out rational numbers between two given numbers, then the denominator should be same, and if they are not same, then naturally we need to make them same. All right? And how do we do that? By LCM. We do this with LCM. And once we make the denominator same, then we can find out rational numbers between any two given numbers. All right? Between any two given numbers. So this is what you need to remember. So these are the steps that you need to remember while finding this rational number between two given numbers. Okay? So what we have seen? See, we have seen that denominator should be same of both the given numbers. If they are not same, then we need to make them same. But how do we do this? By finding LCM between them, right? So with the given two numbers, we need to find out LCM. Don't worry, we'll see the sums, so you will understand. We can find out, and after these numbers are same with the same denominator, then we can start finding out rational numbers between two given numbers. All right. So let's take one example of -1 and 0. So let's say that we need to find out rational numbers between these two. Now see, we know that if you just look at the number lines, okay, if you look at this number line, you can see that this is 0 and this is -1. Now, here, these are the rational numbers we need to find out. So which rational number would fall here? That we need to find out. So, as I said, that denominator should be same. So, just check if the denominators are same or not. So, -1 can be written as -1 upon 1 and 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. So, yes, denominators are same. So, we can directly now find out the rational number between two numbers, between these two numbers. Now, if they tell you to find out rational numbers, three rational numbers, then you make this this denominator 4. Okay? If they ask you to find out five rational numbers between these numbers, then you make this denominator 6. All right? Let's say we are asked to find out five rational number between these numbers. So, because we are asked to find out five rational number, what I will do is I will multiply this 1 with 6 and this one also with 6. So now my number would be -6 upon 6. And the same thing will go here, that is 0 upon 1, but 0 will be multiplied with 6 and this is also with 6. Because we are supposed to find out 5 rational numbers, so we are multiplying with 6. So my new number would be 0 upon 6. Now see, the denominator is 6. See why we are doing this. 1, see, do we have any space? So we need to space these numbers out. And how can we make some space between these two numbers? Of course, by increasing their denominator. And how can we increase their denominator? By multiplying. But it's not okay to multiply only denominator. So we have to multiply with the numerator also. Simple. So now what we have seen, हम बात कर रहे हैं 0 और -1 के बीच में रैशनल नंबर ढूंढने की. डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने पड़ते हैं, तो डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम है बट बीच में जगह नहीं है, इसलिए हमें उसको स्पेस आउट करना पड़ेगा. कैसे स्पेस आउट करेंगे? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 6. क्यों 6? बिकॉज हमें 5 रैशनल नंबर ढूंढने हैं. नाउ वी हैव -6 एंड 0 अपॉन 6. अगर अब आप नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करो और अगर अब आप देखो तो ये आपका है -6 अपॉन 6, दिस इज योर -5 अपॉन 6, दिस इज योर -4 अपॉन 6, देन -3 अपॉन 6, -2 upon 6, -1 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. Now see, what is this? 6 ones are 6. So can I say this is actually -1? Yes. 0 upon 6 is actually 0. So can I say that these are 5 rational numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay even if you find more than 5, okay? But we just need 5 rational numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 rational number between -1 and 0. 5 rational number between -1 and 0. Alright? So हम बात कर रहे हैं कि कैसे फाइंड आउट करें रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन एनी टू गिवन नंबर. उसके लिए हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो हमें उसको सेम करना पड़ेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ एलसीएम. फिर हम उनके बीच में रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. कैसे? लेट्स से आपका एक एग्जांपल यहाँ पे हमने लिया -1 एंड 0. अभी -1 और 0 के बीच में तो जगह ही नहीं है, तो हमें उसको स्पेस आउट करना पड़ेगा. सबसे पहले मैंने उस नंबर को इस तरह से लिख लिया, दैट -1 upon 1 and 0 upon 1. Now my denominators are same. So I can go ahead. But because I don't have any space, I need to make some space between these numbers. और ये कैसे हम करेंगे? By making the denominator same और by increasing the denominator. But क्या सिर्फ हम denominator increase करेंगे? No. जितने नंबर से आप डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो उतने ही नंबर से आपको न्यूमरेटर को भी करना पड़ेगा. तो इस तरह से हमने कर लिया. फिर हमारा आंसर आया -6 upon 6 और 0 upon 6. Now see, हमने स्पेस बढ़ा दी बीच में. So now we can write down this. And -6 upon 6 is what actually? It is nothing but -1 only. And what about 0 upon 6? It is nothing but 0 only, right? So this is how we can find out rational numbers between two given numbers.